Welcome to the Caliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 10 lagging or slow problem on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is turn off all the unnecessary apps that is running on your background. As you can see, not a lot of apps are running on my PC. From search, I just go ahead and type Task Manager, then just open it up. And from here, as you can see, a lot of softwares are running in the background. Now, if I sort them using resources, as you can see, OBS is using the most, but I'm using OBS. So just search for all the unnecessary ones that you don't need currently. Right click on them and click on End Task. Make sure to do it for all the unnecessary apps that you don't need. Don't do it for the Microsoft and the Windows services though. And after that, the second step is just go to Startup from here. Just go to the Startup tab. And from here, just disable all the startup apps that you do not need to run on startups. So for example, Copilot, just right click on it, click on disable, it's already disabled. Then Edge, right click on it, click on disable. Whatever you don't need on startup, just disable all of them. After that, what you can do is just go ahead and click on search and type advanced system settings. And then just open up advanced system settings. Then from here, just go to performance and click on settings. From here, just click on the third option and click on apply, click on OK. Click on OK again. Then just go ahead and restart your PC and your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix lagging or slow problem on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.